Hey guys, welcome back. So make sure you stay tuned because today I have a special edition for you. So today I will be showing you and sharing how to farm traditionally using bulls. The long days are gone, but we're still doing it until today here in the jungle life, here in African jungle life. So many people ask me, why do you call this life jungle? Because literally we are living in the jungle. No neighbors, no friends, no nothing, just us here in the middle of nowhere living our best kind of life. If this is the kind of content you enjoy watching, make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, like, and hit that button. Now we're back home, let's get into it. Hold on, just wait a minute. For those who don't know how this works, before the bull came, we had to prepare this land and make sure it is spotless, no roots, no sticks, no nothing, so that the bull may just peruse through like, as smooth as the baby's butt. So, as you can see on the other side, we're still preparing because, it's kind of a big land. So, it took us time, but finally, the rainy season is here and we are right on time. We are planting and we're just doing it, y'all. For sure, this was one of the smoothest ride ever. And this is the very first time we are planting the whole land, because for a couple months or a couple years back, we have not really been doing the whole land. We've been doing like some parts of it because we are amateurs. We are amateurs here. We know completely nothing unless we just know you have to put a seed down and it grows. Yeah. That's basically what we know. But as time goes by, we are learning and we're getting to know what the soil needs, the fertility, good, well-drained soil. So I'm hoping in time we'll be the experts. My best part about all this is that when the cows are plowing, we can easily plant without getting tired. You can plant while standing and just you're dropping some seeds, and that is enough. That is it. So it makes everything easier. So it's worth it, and it is very affordable. Very, very affordable according to how you talk to the person in charge. On this day, we basically planted two different types of beans and maize. Guys, I'm feeling so thankful because we have really wanted to clear this land fully, like for a couple of time, like for some time now. But I'm so happy that this rainy season just planting has enabled us to clear almost the whole land, the front side, the backyard, every side of this compound has had a small touch, meaning our compound at least will be safer, and the predators will stay away from our animals. So I'm really so excited about that. God's time is the best, and God provides. We ask Him for things, but His answer, He knows how to answer our requests best. Because I believe this was the best possible time for this to happen, and I'm so grateful to my hubby too for being such a hardworking man, and being able to just give us whatever we want, and being able to make sure we are okay, we are provided for, just caring for us. And a big shout out to my mom-in-law too, who really pushed us to plant, because she knows really well these people don't like these things, or she knows we're amateurs and we're learning, and we are learning the grip, we are cutting up with the grip. So I'm really grateful to her for pushing us to this level and making sure it is done. Thank you, mommy. And for each and everyone who took part in this land and just came and helped us through in making it happen, thank you so much for doing it. Guys, make sure you stay tuned, because I will be showing you the progress of the land, the progress of our beans, of our maize, so that you can see what has gone, what went right and what went wrong. I will be candid and raw. Nothing will be hidden, guys. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I'll be posting as frequent as I can. I know I've been away, but wait a minute. Make sure you stay tuned and watch out for this space, because we are uploading video after video after video. And for that, guys, if you have watched until this far, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, give a comment. Just share this video. It is the jungle life you're living, the out of the ordinary, not the town life, not the village life, but the jungle life. The jungle life you don't know, you've never experienced. Make sure you press that button. Love you guys. Mwah. Till next time. Guys, look how beautiful. So. Guys, it is raining season over here. As you can see, we are indoors from the view of our window over here. We're just viewing our plants, our garden getting nourished with water, some air and some amazing stuff. We have planted some beans in front over here. You can see there's some beans, and up over there we have planted some maize, which I've started uprooting. Yes, we're very thankful and optimistic about all this process. I'll be sharing the progress.